Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Mathematics T for the day. If y equals to 3x plus 4 all in bracket 6, find the y over the x. This is differentiation. And you can see very well that this is function of a function. Chain rule, because it's a function 3x plus 4. Inside the function of y equals to 3x plus 4 all to the power of 6. And so using chain rule, what we do is now say let's solution. Let u equals to 3x plus 4. That is, this is inside that bracket, that core. Let it be what? 3x plus 4. And now if we represent 3x plus 4 as u, it never means that my y will now be what? U to the power of what? 6. And so we have represented this expression that was y equals to 3x plus 4 to the power of 6 as y equals to b to the power of 6. And as such, we have two functions. A function of y of u equals to 3x plus 4 and a function of y equals to u to the power of 6. And we are going to start our differentiation. First, differentiate u with respect to x. So we call it the u over the x. So you differentiate the u over the x. That is, we are going to differentiate 3x plus 4. And you know that in differentiation, if you differentiate a constant plus 4, it's gone. Any number that's not attached with x is called a constant, and if you differentiate it, it's gone. Because from the law of differentiation, if y equals to xn, the y over the x equals to nxn minus 1. And if y equals to kxn, the y over the x equals to n times kxn minus 1. And if y equals to k, the y over the x equals to 0. So these are the rules of differentiation. And so with that, this is k means 0 if you differentiate. And this is k, so 4 is gone. Now coming back to 3x, we are using this particular rule here because this k is for x. So if you differentiate, the n will come down. So assuming I want to differentiate 3x will now be what? This is just x to the power of 1. And so when this one comes down, 3 times 1 is what? 3. X into 1 minus 1. And what is 1 minus 1? 0. So that gives us what? 3x to the power of 0. And you know that any number to the power of 0 is what? 1. So this will now be what? 3 times 1, which is what? 3. So if I differentiate 3x plus 4, 4 is constant, gone. Differentiate 3x, what do you have? 3. It therefore means that any number that has x that you want to differentiate, just remove the x and the coefficient becomes the answer in differentiation. Example, I want to differentiate 4x. You don't have to waste time to go this. Just know that the differentiation of 4x is what? 4. So coming back to this, the u over the x is what? 3. Differentiate this. This is gone. Now coming back to this, what do we have? The y over the u. Differentiate u to the power of 6. Remember this. X to the power of n will come down. We now say n minus 1. So in this case, what will happen? 6 will come down. We now say what? 6 minus 1. So this place will now be what? 6. U to the power. What is 6 minus 1? 5. So we have been able to differentiate the u over the x. We have differentiated the y over the u. So therefore, from chain rule, that is function of a function, the y over the x equals to the y over the u times the u over the x. This by the y over the u. This by the u over the x. If you observe very well, if you cancel out the u and the u, you still have back like the y over the x. So let's substitute the value. What is the y over the u? 6u to the power of what? 5. What's my d over the x? 3. So let's multiply 3 times 6 is what? 18. This will now be what? 18u to the power of what? 5. Recall, what was my u? My u was what? 3x plus 4. So I have to replace my u with this. So therefore this will now be equals to what? My dy over the x will now be what? 18 into, what is my u? 3x plus 4 all to the power of what? 5. So that's the answer. And so if you really understand this, solve this for me and put your answer in the comment section. Y equals to 6x minus 3 to the power of 7. Y equals to 6 in the bracket, 6x minus 3 to the power of 7. Do have a nice day.